Hey guys, welcome to another gig on our channel, Millionaire by 25. Well, on this gig, I will be walking you through how to sell Facebook engagements. So if you really want to make lots of money on Fiverr, you can sell these gigs. And trust me, it is very lucrative. So you don't need to have all the experiences. All you just need to do is go through this video and you would have a full idea on how to sell Facebook engagement gigs and make lots of money for yourself. So we're looking at how to sell Facebook engagement. Let us go on the search. Let's go on this. Let's say Facebook promotion. And let's go on the search. Okay, so right here we see a lot of persons. I want to let you know that a lot of people make tons of money a day. But look at this one. Says I will do Facebook marketing, advertising, Facebook ads. I will do Facebook advertising, marketing, Facebook ads campaign, Facebook. This one says I will Shopify, social media management, content creator, TikTok. This one says I'll do Facebook advertising, marketing, Facebook ads campaign. You can see the amount of money they have there. You can see the dollar. This one is $25. Let us click to open this guy's gig. Let's see, let's scroll down. This one says I will do your Facebook marketing and Instagram organically. More of the messages not shown. Let's see what she has. Let's open this one. And this one says I will run Facebook ads marketing for Shopify. And so it says I will do organic promotion of your Facebook page. Let us check this one out. Okay, so we have 3 gigs here. Let's see. Let's go to the ones we've opened. So we're looking at this. I'll do Facebook advertising, marketing, Facebook ads campaign, Facebook advertising, Instagram ads. And this guy has over 3 orders in queue. So you can see. And he has done over 480. You can imagine. So you can imagine that's to tell you that this gig is on high demand. And you can make tons of money for yourself. The basic is $25, and let's calculate. Let's see. Let's say $25 times 3 in order. So we're looking at 3 in queue. So we have $75. That's what he's going to be making today. He can actually make more. Standard is $70. So let's say 70 times 3 orders in queue. That's giving you $210, and that's to say this is at this time I am looking at his gig, meaning that it could change to 5 orders in queue as the case may be. So you can even have over 10 orders in queue. All right, let's close this one. Let's take a look at this one. It says I'll do your Facebook marketing and Instagram organic growth. Right. And has just 1 order in queue, has done a total of 88, and says basic $290. You can imagine, so 290 times 1, that's 290. So no need of opening the calculator. And he's Fiverr's choice, meaning that he has gotten lots. This person has gotten lots of love. I think it's a lady. She has gotten lots of love because she has delivered. Let's take a look at her standard, $450. You see, so as time goes on, you begin to grow and make lots of money for yourself. So, well, if we want to say 290 times 88, that's $25,520. That is what this person has made right from when she started this particular gig. You can imagine how much she has made. So let's move on to this one. This one says I'll do organic promotion of your Facebook page. Standard is 90, basic is 50. Let's see, 4 orders in queue, and has done a total of 446. Wow. Okay, so we have basic for $50 and we have standard for $90. Let's do our calculation. Let's say $90 for standard times 4 equal to $360. That's what I'm sure he's making today. I'll tell you how this is done. It's not difficult, very, very easy. Like, there is a particular site where you can generate these organic promotions for Facebook page, Instagram, as the case may be. And all you need to do is just go straight up to justanotherpanel.com. I have an account which I created just because of this video, so I'm logged in now. So you can see Instagram, Facebook, a lot of them. You can see that these guys have carried over 385,345,193 total orders. So these guys are one of the best. They're one of the best in the world. And you can see 385,347,193. So let's say Facebook. Okay, we have Instagram, we have Spotify, Telegram, and the rest. So all you need to do is go to new order, or you can click here too to check out new order, and you go down Instagram growth monthly package. You see, you just go select. We have Instagram direct message, we have Instagram likes, we have a lot of them right here. We have Facebook likes, we have Facebook likes, targeted post likes, Facebook followers, friends, group members, rating. We have a lot of them right here if you scroll down, even for YouTube. So you can command lots of traffic for your client's social media handle, depending on what he or she wants you to do. So let's look at the Facebook followers, friends, group members, and rating. Let's say that is what we want to do, want to generate all. Facebook page likes. We just pick anyone. Depends on the gig the person is actually asking you. Depends on what your client wants of you. Okay, so let's use this. Let's say Facebook post likes. You see, this is where you drop the link of your client's Facebook page, and then the quantity. You can see that the minimum is 100 and the maximum here is 1000. So let's say you put in 500. You want to give the person 500 Facebook post likes. You can see the charge as small as 0.20345 cents, and you're charging over probably $5 or $10 per 500 post likes, and then you click here to submit, and you will be debited. All you need to do is add funds to your account, and you will be debited. So imagine receiving $5 or $10, depends on how much you fixed for your gig, and this is the amount you're actually using to command 500 likes. Even website traffic, you can always generate traffic right here. This you can see a lot right here. So now you know that you don't need to take the stress to start sharing your client's link, or please help me like, and the rest. It's very easy. All you need to do is come to Just Another Panel. Let us see what 1000 would give. 1000, see, 0.4069 $1. That's the charge. You can see. All right, so drop a comment on the comment section. Tell us what you think, and if you've given it a try, if it's actually working for you. But don't forget to like and subscribe to our page, and click on the notification bell icon so you can get notifications whenever we have our posts. Thank you so much. See you on the next video tutorial.